Good evening, friends. In this audio, we have discussed about this in GST reformation. Here, a concise and updated look at the latest GST reform developments in India, which sectors are being pointed to benefits. So, we are discuss about the benefits, which sectors we are focusing in coming days or next month or next week. The GST development as of September 2025, the 56th GST Council meeting chaired by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is currently underway and is expected to enact the most significant GST overhaul in 8 years. The key changes of streamlining the existing slabs into two main rates, 5% and 18%, with a 40% rates of luxury and sin goods. Okay, the maximum, the two slab only in the index, one is a 5%, other one is a 18%, and luxury and the sin goods, the 40% taxes may be next day onwards. They have a implementation and announced very soon. The cuts are expected on GST for over 400 items, including the staples like a toothpaste, shampoo, air conditioner, TV, and small cars, aiming to boost domestic consumption. Second one, health and term insurance premises. So maybe more affordable due to the reduced GST rates. Those insurer may face short-term margin pressures. Third one, the analysts say the reforms could generate a few season consumption boost with the auto, consumer durable, and discriminatory goods leaning the charges. Sector benefits most from the GST reforms. The first one is automobile. Automobile, the potentially GST cuts from 28% to 18% on a small car and two wheelers could make them 6 to 8% cheaper on a road, stimulating demand. This benefits branded like a Maruti Suzuki, Bajaj, Hero, TVS, as well as commercial vehicles and tractors also. Second beneficial sectors, consumer and durable or FMCG. Electronics and appliances like AC and TV are expected to see GST slashes from 28% to 18%, reviving the festival's spendings. Packaged goods, dairy, and personal care items may drop to 5%, enhancing the affordability. The third one is cement and construction. The GST, the cements may fall from 28% to 18%, trimming costs by rupees 30 to 40 per bag. This could improve margin to construction and real estate. Okay. The fourth one, the insurance. The reductions of 18% to possibly to 5% GST on a health and term insurance is under considerations, making the policies more affordable, those potentially sequencing measured profit and short running. The fifth one is textiles and apparel and footwears. GST on a garments over 1000 and selected footwears could fall from 12% to 5%, a boosting demand and benefiting both branded as a massive market players. The sixth one is hospitality. The mid-scale hotels and budget accommodations could benefit from GST relations possible sparing travel and accompany. The seventh one is MSME and e-commerce and retail. Stimulating tax slabs and reduce GST on raw material like for packing, easy compliance and costs. This adds small business and boost to e-commerce competitiveness. The eighth one benefits sector, food and beverage. Tax cut to 5% to packages, foods, dairy and snacks are expected. Driving volumes growth is potentially high in food and beverages sector. The ninth one is telecom and mobile manufacturers. The sector are actively seeing the GST relief from 18% down to 5% to promote affordability and market expansion. So the telecom and mobile manufacturers is a very benefits in this tax reductions from GST reform tomorrow onwards. This is a GST reform, which sectors is benefited, and what will be the progress going on the next trading. These stocks all how to participate in this GST, and what they will make a more profit or what else, we will wait and watch tomorrow onwards. Thank you. Bye.